Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Hiba aka Hebarrietty, and I am back today with a new YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you my updated curly hair routine. It's been a long time since I've posted a video showing my curly hair routines, so I think it's time for me to show you my updated one. I have to say that my routine now is very different than what I had posted before. Like, that curly hair routine is so old. So yeah, it is very due. It's just been really hard for me to film videos for YouTube since I film a lot of videos for my socials, so I have a lot of my updated curly hair routines there as well, but you know, I gotta give my YouTube family something. And in today's video I will be showing you and talking to you about my curly hair routine step by step. I will show you all the products that I use and my techniques as well. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the night before my wash day and my hair has been up all day. I was at the pool, so I didn't even bother like putting it down later. But I'm gonna take this out now because I want to actually oil my scalp and hair so that it can do its thing during the night, and then I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. My hair is actually not terrible, like the definition is not bad, but my scalp has been really itchy, so that's my sign to wash it. This is the situation of my hair right now. I look like an egg, like a potato. This is not what state you should be seeing me in, but I'm doing this for the sake of transparency, and this is how I look. So I'm going to use this Mielle rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil, and this is what I use all the time the night before my wash day, and I just apply it all over my scalp and massage it. I've been noticing a lot of hair growth, like my baby hairs have been growing a lot and they're like actually longer, so I think this is working. I've been doing this for months, honestly. The feeling is so nice. Just applying it in sections. I'm not scared of adding a lot. I make sure that I wash my hair properly and I always clarify my hair. And now I'm just going to massage it. I wish I had someone to massage my head for me, but unfortunately I have to do it myself. My god, I really look horrible. Like, what is this? I'm so sorry. If I need some extra massaging, I always use this scalp scrub or scalp massager, and I got this from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, I forgot which one of those stores. And I just gently massage my scalp. I want to be so gentle because going rough can actually cause more harm than benefits, but it just feels so good. This is the most itchy part of my scalp, the crown area. And now I'm just going to take a silk scrunchie, and this scrunchie is from Curlsmith Collective. I love that they're actually so big. I'm going to flip my head and just put it all up. So I just leave my hair in a pineapple bun like that and I sleep in it, and tomorrow I will be washing my hair. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning. So it is the next day right now and I will be washing my hair today. I don't know if you can tell, but I just woke up, so excuse my morning face. Since I'm going to be filming today and washing my hair, it's gonna take me a lot of my time this morning, so that's why I had to start early and get this done. So I oiled my scalp last night, and because I did that, I have to clarify today just so I don't get like a lot of buildup in my scalp and like leftover residue from the oil in my hair, since the oil is a little thick in consistency. So today I'm going to be clarifying my hair using my favorite shampoo, and this is from Twist. This is the Hit Reset Light Clarifying Shampoo. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I have mentioned that this is one of my favorite clarifying shampoos ever, and it's very affordable. So if you've never tried the shampoo, this is your sign too. Even though I use a clarifying shampoo, I love to double cleanse, and the clarifying shampoo that I use is a light one and a gentle one, so I don't mind double cleansing. And I'm going to be using another shampoo from Twist. This is the On Repeat Gentle Oil Infused Shampoo. And lastly, of course, I'm gonna condition my hair. I've been using this conditioner from Curlsmith and I've been loving it so much. And this is the Full Body Milk Conditioner from their newest line, Volume Recipe, and it smells amazing. So those are all the products that I'm going to be using for my wash day today, and I'm going to wash my hair now, and I'll be back to you to style my curls. So I just finished washing my hair, and now I'm going to be styling it. I love styling my hair in soaking wet hair, so I have to make sure that my hair is very wet. Before I start anything, I need my towel around my shoulders because I cannot stand the dripping water on my body. Like it's too wet. I hate that. Okay, this is so much better. So since I love styling my hair and soaking wet hair, I'm going to re-wet my hair, and I'm using the spray bottle from Curlsmith. It's a continuous mist spraying bottle, and I really love this one. So I just spray and wet it as much as I can. And now I'm going to lightly detangle using my Tangle Teezer brush. This is my favorite brush ever. I use this brush in the shower too when I detangle my hair after I use a conditioner. And it's just very gentle on the hair. So I'm just going to gently brush it through since I don't have any product in my hair yet. All nice and detangled. So before I start applying any products in my hair, I always go in with a heat protectant. Using a heat protectant is actually very important even if you're gonna be diffusing. And a diffuser is still a heating tool, so you're still adding heat to your hair, and you gotta protect your hair at all costs. And I always use this heat protectant from Curlsmith, and this is the Miracle Shield. So I'm just going to be spraying it generously throughout my whole hair, just to make sure that every strand is protected, especially the ends. And I'll brush it through. And at this point, after I apply my heat protectant, I either go in with a styling cream or a leave-in conditioner. I love to use one or the other. I don't like using two because I feel like it's gonna weigh my hair down, and I just feel like it's a lot of product in my hair. So today I'm just gonna be using a leave-in conditioner, and that has been my routine lately. So I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner today from Curlsmith, and this is the Hydrate and Plump leave-in conditioner. I take around 3 pumps of these. I take around this much just for one side of my hair. And I just rake everything through. I focus on my ends the most. And whatever's left in my hands, I go through my roots very lightly because I don't want any product buildup in my roots. Adding a lot of product in this area can cause irritation in the scalp, so I'm trying to avoid that. And I do the same thing on the other side. And remember to always brush your hair after every product application just so you make sure that the product is distributed evenly. It feels so smooth on my hair. My hair smells delicious. Since I have bangs, I'm going to be sectioning my bangs away from the rest of my hair because I love styling that separately and I style it last. And the way I love to separate my bangs away from my hair is I love to split my hair down the middle. And then I brush the front part forward. And you can see that my bangs are already separated. And this is such an easy way to separate it. Then I just brush the rest of my hair back just so it doesn't get mixed in with my bangs. And as you can see, there are a few pieces that are mixed in with my bangs, so I try to remove that away. So this is what I'm left with, and I just put it away with a clip. So my bangs are away now, and before I proceed with the next step, I'm going to make sure that my hair is still wet. I can tell that my hair is getting a little bit dry, so I'm going to be spraying it. I'm going to re-wet as much as possible. And the reason why I'm trying to re-wet my hair as much as possible because I don't want to deal with this wet frizz. And wet frizz is what actually causes frizz when your hair is dry, so you want to avoid that. And I'm just going to brush my hair to smooth everything out. And now I'm going to be sectioning my hair into two. And sectioning my hair just helps me style my hair better. And now we're going to be working on the first section. Again, before I start, I'm going to wet it just one more time. I have low porosity hair, so water does not penetrate as easily. So that's why I'm adding in a lot of water. The wall is so wet right now. Before I add in my styling products, I'm gonna be using the spray. And this is the Root Boost Uplifting Spray from Curlsmith. And this spray enhances volume in your roots, so I'm going to be spraying a lot, very generously. And now I'm going to be adding in my styler. I normally would go for just a gel, but I discovered this new product. Ever since I started using this, I couldn't go back. This is the Invincible Volume Mousse from Curlsmith, and I was kindly gifted all of the volume recipe, by the way, by Curlsmith when I went to their event. This mousse has been a staple in my routine, and I could not go a wash day without using it. The nozzle is actually broken on this. I don't know what happened, but I accidentally broke the nozzle on this thing, so just ignore the way it looks. So I'm going to shake it first. I actually don't know if there's anything left in this because I'm almost done, but I have another bottle, thankfully. Let's see whatever's left in this one. So I'm using around this much for one side. And I actually rake this through, and it says in the directions to actually apply it this way. This mousse is not ideal to use with your hair dry, and it's better to use it with your hair wet and raking it through. Because if you don't rake it through, you're actually going to be left with these white streaks all over your hair. And the same amount for the side of my hair. And of course, I have to brush it through. This mousse is a level 6 hold, which is a medium hold, but I do want to add a little bit of gel just to give that extra hold, especially now that it's summer and it's so humid outside. So I want to make sure that I have the ultimate hold to my hair. So I just want to make sure that my hair is actually going to have the hold and survive throughout the whole week, since I wash my hair only once a week. So I'm adding around a pea size for one side of my hair. And now we're going to brush everything through. And just for clarification, this is my own personal hair routine, so I do what I think is best for my hair. If you think that this is a lot of product for your hair, absolutely do what you think is best for your hair, but this is what I think works best for mine, according to my hair density and hair porosity, so I take a lot of things into account. I just wanted to point that out because I don't want to make you feel like you're forced to follow my routine, and this is just to give you an idea of what could possibly work for your routine. And now I'm going to be styling my hair with a brush, and this is the Bounce Curl Volume Edgelift brush, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you have seen this brush. I actually have the other brush here too, which is the Define Edgelift brush. So I have the volume and the define one here. I love both brushes, but I've been loving this so much lately. And today I will be using the volume edgelift brush. So the way that I style my hair is I take small sections. And actually for these pieces that are closer to my face, I love to style it differently. I love sectioning it into two. And I just love to individually style it this way. And I do the same thing here. And this is what it looks like. And this is how I style the rest. So I take sections again. I don't want to take too thick of a section because I want to make sure that I still have the volume. So I split that section in half. And I place the brush as close as I can to the roots and just brush with tension. And this is what my section looks like. Figuring out if you should be taking smaller or bigger sections depends on your hair density. Mine is medium, so I feel like working in smaller sections works the best for me. Always give a little shake after you brush. And then I just repeat the whole process. This brush actually saves me a lot of time just because of the way it's designed. I love these small edges here because they help separate my clumps, so that actually helps a lot with volume and definition. Since my hair is very long, I tend to take around 20 to 30 minutes to style my whole hair. And this is how the first section of my hair looks like, fully styled. You can see the definition looking nice and juicy. And now I'm going to be styling the other section of my hair. So of course I have to make sure that my hair is wet. My hair has been sitting up for a while, so I'm going to re-wet it. And just brush everything again just to make sure that there are no knots. I'm taking the Root Boost Uplifting Spray again and just going to spray my roots. Then I'm adding my mousse. Same thing on the other side. Brush everything. And now some gel. And then one last brush. I used to actually use a Tangle Teezer brush to style my hair before, and if you watch my old videos, you would see me using this brush to style my hair. But it's just so much easier for me to style my hair using this brush now. So for the upper section of my hair, I love styling from the back to the front as opposed to the other section where I had styled from the front to the back. I take little sections again. Since this is a big section, I'm going to be taking smaller sections, just like that. And I'm going to brush. And I just repeat the whole thing. So my hair is actually split down the middle, and this is how I style my hair. I know a lot of people love taking sections horizontally like that and then styling their hair. What I do is I love splitting my hair down the middle and just working in sections on both sides. And I still get a lot of volume in this area, especially the crown area, doing this method. I tried the other method before, but it just didn't help me much, and I noticed a lot of frizz when I do that. So as I said, different methods work for different people, and this is what works for me. So I just finished styling the second section of my hair, and now I will be doing my bangs. So since my bangs have been sitting here for a while, it's so dry and I need to wet it. So with my spray bottle, I'm going to be wetting it. So I made sure that my hair is soaking wet, and styling my bangs very, very wet is what works best. I'm going to add just a little bit of mousse, taking around this much, and a little bit of gel. And now I'm actually going to style my bangs using my Tangle Teezer and not the Bounce Curl brush. It's just so much easier for me to control my bangs using my Tangle Teezer, and let me show you how I style my bangs. So I brush everything through, and what I love doing is split my bangs in two sections. And this method just helps my bangs look more full. So I take the first section and just brush with tension. I just separate the clumps. And then I just take each clump and brush them individually like that, just to give them more definition. I'm so meticulous when it comes to my bangs, and I have to make sure that they are perfect. So this is the first section, and now I'm gonna repeat the same thing with the other section. Now that my hair is fully styled, I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel and scrunch everything in. So I'm just glazing it and scrunching. You hear the sound? The squishy sound is all that you need to hear. My hair is not really that wet now because I've been filming and doing my routine at the same time, but there's still a little bit of water, so this is a good sign. The only thing that I really don't do is scrunch out my bangs, because when I do that, my bangs turn out very wonky, so I just leave it alone. So this is my hair right now, and now I'm finally going to diffuse my hair, and I'm not gonna film this because I'm planning on making a different video for diffusing, but I'm gonna diffuse my hair and come and show you the final result. I just finished diffusing, and this is what my hair looks like. My hair looks very crunchy and crispy, and if you know me, I love me a good gel cast. And I know a lot of people are scared of gel cast and they hate it to their core. But let me tell you one thing, when you have a gel cast like that, it only means that you will have the best long-lasting curls. A gel cast is basically this protective layer that's going to maintain and hold your curls, especially against humidity and very extreme weathers. But not rain though, nothing can protect your hair against rain, because once water hits, it's done. So of course I'm not going to be leaving my hair like that. I don't want to look like a wet dog, so this is what I'm gonna be doing. Usually after I diffuse, I let my hair settle for around 20 minutes before I scrunch out the crunch using an oil. So this is the step which I think is very important to help you get rid of this wet look, especially if you're not a fan of gel casts. So I'm going to be taking some oil, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. It's dripping all the way down. So just rub it in. And then glaze it all over your hair gently with praying hands. You don't want to be too harsh because we don't want to ruin what we worked on. I'm going to flip my hair, and I'm going to gently glaze as well. Then I'm going to scrunch it out, just like that, very gently. Just scrunch side to side. You can already see the volume right here. And this is just by scrunching. I'm going to keep doing that and not forgetting my bangs. Just look at that. And now we're going to fluff everything out. So gently put your fingers in and start fluffing. I am living for this volume right now, oh my god. And flip everything back. And this is the final result. I'm loving my results so much today. Can you see the amount of volume that I have? Like, chef's kiss. If my hair is not big, let me tell you, it's a bad wash day. But today's wash day actually ate. The products that I used today plus the brush really helped give me this beautiful volume. And this has been my curly hair routine for around 3 months now. And it works amazingly during the summer, so that's a bonus for me. So this is my hair from the front. This is how my hair looks like from the side. My hair is actually so long right now. I don't know if you can even see the end of it. Okay, so I lowered the camera just so you can see the length. Like, this is not even the real length because the shrinkage. Let's see how long my hair actually is. And this is the back of my hair. So I'm curious to know what you guys think of my results today. And that was my updated curly hair routine. I hope you guys were able to learn something from my video today. And of course, if you have any questions, please ask your questions in the comments and I will be more than happy to answer them. I will try my best to stay consistent and post more curly hair videos, so look forward to that. I also post so many other videos on my socials, so you can follow me there as well. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I would appreciate if you could like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss an update from me. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.